In this guide, we are going over how you can fix crashing or if Slay the Spire 2 is showing a black screen. Quick and easy. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, there is a bunch of fixes that we need to go in and try. The first thing that you're going to want to do, though, is actually open up Steam itself. And once you have Steam open up, what you need to go ahead and do is make sure that your Steam language is set to English. You could do this just by hitting Steam all the way up at the very top, going into your settings. Once you're in your settings, go ahead and go to interface and make sure your Steam client language is set to English. After you go ahead and do that, restart Steam and restart the game as well. Once you do that, go ahead and go back into the game files. And once you're in the game files, go ahead and go specifically to settings as well. And make sure it's also set to the same language like English. Now, if you're in a different nation, for example, and you speak a different language, just make sure it's set to the language that you commonly speak and that both Steam and, of course, Slay the Spire 2 is set to the same language. If you're still having issues, go ahead and reopen up Steam again, and once you have Steam open back up, go ahead and go into your library and find Slay the Spire on here. Go ahead and right click on it and then go into properties, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Scroll down to installed files and hit verify integrity of game files. Steam's now going to check and repair anything missing or corrupted, and from here, go ahead and also update your graphics drivers, and you could do this directly through NVIDIA or AMD depending on your GPU. You should also reinstall the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables, both the x86 version and the x64 version, which of course you could do this on Microsoft's website, and I have a full guide breaking down how to do this, so I recommend checking that out if you need more details on that specifically. You could just search Microsoft Visual C++, just pause, it'll pop up. But if you're still having issues, go ahead and restart your PC after doing all of that and see if you can load back in. If you're still having issues, uninstall the game and then reinstall it and you'll go ahead and fix it. It should keep all your, save data still on here. It really is as simple as that though. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.